It's all well and good to improve ourselves, but we also need money, don't we? So it is very important that we develop financially as well. Then let's move on to what I wrote in the title of the direct video. Mindset determines success. Getting rich is not just about working hard, finding the right opportunities, or searching the internet for ways to make money. Being rich is first and foremost about having the right mindset. So, what are the common characteristics of people with the right mindset? Here are some examples of what they are like. They do not have a negative attitude towards money. They know that making money is not actually difficult. They hold themselves solely responsible for their own financial situation. They focus on increasing their wealth instead of complaining. They think about using their money in the most efficient way to achieve their goals. But if you are contrary to even one of these ideas, it will already be harder for you to seize opportunities. They think making money is not difficult. So what is hard? Spending that money in the right way. I'm not talking about getting a salary and then throwing it around. It's about planning it in the most efficient way. Don't worry, I will explain this in my next video with detailed examples. There you will understand what I mean clearly. Thinking long-term. Financial freedom is a long-term goal, not a short-term one. In my videos, you will never see titles like, "The way to get rich in a short time, do this and make $500 a day." It's that simple to get rich and similar phrases. These are misleading YouTube viewership tactics used to sell hope to those who want to get rich quick. Look, man, I'm sure you've come across videos like this. Well, did they make you rich in a short period of time, say 3 months? I don't think so. If I'm wrong, please comment and share the link to that video so people can watch that video and get rich instead of wasting time on my video. The truth is that wealth comes with long-term investments, increasing passive sources of income, and gaining experience. You will make mistakes, learn, and try again. Do you think it is possible to experience all this in 3 to 5 months? The important thing is to build a solid financial foundation for yourself in the long term, even with small steps. Patience and discipline will be your greatest friends in this process. Learning to take risks. If you want to achieve financial success, you must learn to take risks. But the important thing is not to take risks blindly, but to make informed decisions. Financial success comes from taking informed risks. The only way to minimize risk and overcome fear is to continually educate yourself and act with knowledge. Even the wealthy sometimes risk valuable assets for worthless things. Be careful not to make such mistakes. For example, I spent $10 to promote a video of mine on YouTube. Even though I did the research to advertise correctly, if the ad doesn't work and the $10 is wasted, is it worth the risk? I think yes, because at least I'm gaining experience and analyzing where I made mistakes, so that the next time I spend $20 on a video, I don't make the same mistakes again. But if instead of taking small risks at the beginning, I spend something like $100 and it's wasted, it's definitely not worth it. Because I can get the same experience for $10, right? If you're interested, I'm going to make a special video where I'll go deeper into these examples and risk management. Continuous learning. To achieve financial freedom, you must make continuous learning a habit. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to money. The financial world is constantly changing, and you need to keep up. I don't like to give empty motivation, so I must say that the struggle for financial freedom will not be easy. Life can sometimes pull us down even on our happiest day, when we think, "I've made it." So you have to prepare your psychology for every possibility and try to have the right perspective, because the right perspective can make you successful, not only in financial matters, but in every field. If this video helped you, join us. See you next time. Take care of yourself.